Hi, I'm Ashot. I'm a chemistry major at the University of Texas at Austin, materials chemistry track. And today I'm going to talk about one of my most personal and long-lasting projects. And the question here is, have you ever wondered what you'll look on the inside? Now, you might wonder, how would you get that without destroying yourself? There are multiple ways of scanning one's body on the outside using photogrammetry, for example, but there are only a handful of techniques which allow you to picture the inside, which is more notably CT and MRI scanning. Here, I'm holding my own skull, to be or not to be. As you can see, it also has the brain. Well, the eyes are not exactly held in place, and neither is the jaw, which you can remove. You can also remove the tongue, and also the brain. I also have a replica of myself with the option to remove the hair. This is not doable in any of the conventional 3D scanning methods without going bald, which might not be a great option for a lot of people. This model is created 1-to-1 ratio, as are all the other models here showcased. So everything fits over my own body because it is the same scale as my body. Thousands and thousands of people get MRI and CT scans every day, and we don't have to be limited about the medical use of it. This technology can be used to make prosthetics and implants. A lot of these models will probably be used as reference to build on some other projects, and this set is not complete because we're missing the spine. So far, I only have the first vertebrae, the atlas, also known as C1, which is the bone that connects the skull to the spine. Thank you for your attention.